My name's Matthew Blythe. I'm an independent advisor specialising in the area of precision livestock technology. When looking at improving your weighing system on farm or updating it, there are three major classes of weighing equipment with variations within each class. The digital introductory weigh heads basically only show your weight. So these indicators are designed to record a weight and just show it on the screen. They also have the capabilities either over a Wi-Fi hotspot connection or by Bluetooth to send that weight to an app on a phone or a tablet. Some weigh heads come with free apps you can use, and these can monitor the weight and also show it on your phone, but also put it up to a cloud-based software where you can do some basic analytical work. A lot of these free bits of software normally work off the visual identification and don't always have the capability of attaching an EID reader to them. There is an option with these devices to use third-party software, which you have to pay for, which sends the weight into the app and the EID from the opposite way, and then it shows you the daily live weight gain, the animal's information on your screen of your phone or tablet. The next level of weigh head has got more capabilities. They normally connect to an EID reader, as well as having the capability of storing the information on the device, allowing you not to need a third-party app. These can still connect to third-party apps or even download their memory into third-party ruminant software, depending on the software you're using. These also have the capability of showing you statistical reports on the screen, but they are very basic. Normally, minimum weight, average weight, maximum weight, and it will be the same on daily live weight gain. Some of them have the capabilities of controlling auto drafters as well. The next range of indicator up is the top of the range one. These range in price and capability massively, but these normally have the capability of storing extra information on them, like the lifetime data of the animal, breed, sex, sire, dam, that sort of information. Show you the daily live weight gain and historic daily live weight gain, controlling auto drafters, recording body condition scores, scanning results, as much information as you can think of. Compared to the model below, most of these can send the EID and the weight over the same Bluetooth connection, sending it to a lot of the apps on the market, recording the weight and the EID, and still allowing the device to be able to drive an auto drafter, and you record your body condition score and see some of the historical information on the screen. So when looking at buying a device, if you've already got load cells on farm, you don't have to go with the same manufacturer of indicator or weigh head. All the load cells on the market will work with each other's indicators. We just need to tell the indicator which manufacturer of load cells are there, or we might have to do something that's called a spam calibration and calibrate them so we know that we're getting an accurate weight.